Now the topic before us is Introduction to Python. Python is a programming language. It is a general purpose language. We must understand who developed this language. This language was developed by Guido van Rossum. He is a Dutch programmer. He has worked for Google and Dropbox, and he is currently a distinguished engineer at Microsoft, and he is the author of the book Python for Beginners. Python is a one of the fastest growing programming language. How it is the fastest growing programming language? Because a large number of developers are using it. A large number of developers, large number of companies are using it. Python is being used in a large number of areas, and above all, it has a large number of libraries. Large number. Then the question arises, in which areas Python is being used. Python is used in a large number of areas. It is used in machine learning, artificial intelligence, web development, and much more. Python is also used in data analysis. Suppose we search about an air conditioner. We want to purchase an air conditioner and we are searching for the same. We have searched for three or four websites, and when you have visited some another site relating to education, you will find that a large number of advertisements relating to your air conditioner are appearing for you. How it has become possible? You have not opened a site to purchase an air conditioner. You are reading an educational, you have opened an educational site. It has happened only because of data analysis. Those companies have analyzed or are continuously analyzing our data. It may be possible that Python may have been used for the purpose of data analysis. Now Python is a high level language. Some people say that Python is a new language. It is not so. Python is not a new language. Java was developed in 1995, whereas Python was developed in 1989. So Python came into existence quite earlier to Java. So Python is not a new language. Then Python is being used in many areas. The researchers, scientists, software developers do not have enough time to learn a programming language. They want to learn a programming language which is simple and easy to understand. So, the researchers and scientists are attracted towards Python, which is simple, easy to understand. Then the question arises, which companies are using Python? A large number of companies are using Python. It is not that only small companies are using. Very big companies like Google, Dropbox, Facebook, Spotify are making extensive use of Python language. Now the question arises, who are using Python? It is being used by software developers, software engineers, researchers, scientists. Even the school going kids are using Python to develop programs. Now the question arises, from where name Python came? The developer of this language, Guido van Rossum, was a very fond of or liked a circus group which is known as Monty Python's Flying Circus, a British comedy group. He was very fond of. He was a big fan of this show. The developer of this language was a very was a was very liking this comedy group. So it may be quite possible that the developer was requiring or searching for a name which was very attractive, somewhat different. So he may have opted for this name from this name of the comedy group. This name Python does not seem to be overly technical. So he used this word for his language. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.